Do you know in Excel we can separate a data from one cell to multiple cells without using a formula? Like here we have separated cells code into state code and a department code, and that too without using a formula. Or we can combine the data from two cells into one cells, like here we combine first name and the last name into this cell, which gives us the full name, that too without using a formula for all these multiple cells. Or we can add a suffix before a name in one cell, and it can be added to all other cells without using a formula. This we can do with the help of a tool in Excel which is called as Flash Fill. So let us go ahead and learn how to use Flash Fill, a very useful and time saving tool in Excel which will boost your productivity in Excel. So let us learn how to use Flash Fill. Hello and welcome to Boost Your Career, the place where you learn the skills to grow in your career. This is the data that we have. Here we are given a sales code. The first two letters represent the state code and the last 5 or 6 digits represent the department code. We want to separate the data into these two different cells. First is a state code and then next is a department code. What we are going to use? We are going to use the Flash Fill function in Excel. You are not going to use any formula. For that I need to just type here MH, because I want to separate MH from this code, and then I will press enter. I will go to the next cell over here. I will do only Control E. I will use the shortcut called Control E in this cell. You can see here all the state codes are being separated from this data. Similarly, for department code, I will write the first department code for this particular record, that is 15369, and go to the next cell and press Control E. Automatically for all other cells the state code, the department code is being separated in these cells. That is a use of a Flash Fill. If you don't want to remember the shortcut of Flash Fill, you can just go here in data, and in data you can see here the button called Flash Fill. Using this you can also do that. So that is the first use of a Flash Fill. Isn't that time saving and amazing? So let us learn other uses of Flash Fill. Now before we go ahead, would like to tell you that Flash Fill can be used only in Excel's version of 2013 and later. You will not be able to use in the prior versions. Okay, now in this case, for this data we are given the first name and last name which we want to combine in this particular cell, that is first name space last name. What I am going to do, I am not going to use the concatenate formula, which easily I can do that, but I will use the Flash Fill because Flash Fill saves my time over here. So in this particular cell I will type what I want over here. So I want Virat space Kohli. It will be combined like this, and go to the next cell and press Ctrl E. You can see all other names are being combined like this. So Excel will recognize what you typed in the first cell, and it will check with the other cells in the left hand side, and similar pattern it will follow for rest of the cells. Isn't it very time saving tool? Let us go ahead and learn how to add. If I want to add Mr. before these names for all other names, so for the first name only I will add Mr. dot Virat Kohli. Go to the next cell and press Ctrl E. Automatically Mr. will get added to all other cells. We need to take care here is that suppose the name starts with Mr. or the last name starts with Mr. The Excel will recognize MR in this particular last name, and it will take that from over here and it will paste like this. To avoid that, if that happens, what we can do, we can we can put it like here we have put Mr. Virat Kohli. We can put it here Mr. Jasprit Bumrah, two cells, and from the third cell we can do Flash Fill by Ctrl E. It will automatically solve your problem. Now the third use of Flash Fill, another very interesting use of a Flash Fill. Now we are given here the names in the lower case, and we want to convert all these names into uppercase and proper cases. Okay, now we can use the formula called upper over here, but I will not use the formula upper because we are learning here flash fill. That will save my time. So in the first name, for the first name, I will type here in uppercase, that is Virat Kohli. Now we need to take care of the spelling. If you don't write the correct spelling, then it will not work. And then go to the next step, next cell, and then Control E. You can see all other names are converted into uppercase. Isn't it amazing? Now I want to convert these names into proper case. That is, first letter should be capital for these names. All other letters should be in small cases. So I'll write the first name like this, like first letter capital, the way we write usually, and then write it like this. Okay, and then go to the next cell and Control E. You can see all other names are being converted to the proper cases. Now the third use of flash fill we are going to learn with the help of dates. Okay, now you can see here the dates are given in the format mm/dd/YY. So month first, then date, and then year. I want to separate this date as day over here, month, and the year. Now the day is in the second place. Now just go ahead and follow our rule for flash fill, that is type what I want in the first cell for the first record. So for the first record, day is 2, that is which is there in the second place. So I will go here and type 2, go to the next cell, and then press Control E, shortcut for the flash fill. Okay, now can you see what has happened? Because this was a 2 and 2, both month and dates are same, Excel has recognized this 2 as the month, the first letter, and then it has given us 66743. That means Excel has given the month, but we wanted the day, which is at second place. Right? Why this has happened? Because the two dates, the month and dates, both are same in the first record. So to solve this problem, what we will do? We will write this for the two records, or we can write for the second record, and then also we can do Control E. So I will write this for two records. First record is 2, day is 2, so I will write here 2. For second record, the day is 1, so I will write here 1, and then go to the third cell and press Control E. Now you can see it has given me the correct dates, that is on the second place. So this second place date has been taken after the oblique sign. Now here month is happening on the first place, so I will go here, put 2, and again I will put here 6 because I don't want Excel to make that mistake again. And now from the third cell I will press Control E. You can see here it has given me the month, which is at the first place. Now third is year. Year for the first cell is 2021. I will press enter and press Control E for flash fill. Can you see all the years are being separated from this date? Okay, isn't it amazing and very much time saving tool? Okay, now another useful use of a flash fill. The date format here was given to us as month, date, and year. We want to put this date as date, month, and year, the same date we want to convert it. How to do that? How to do that with the help of flash fill. So I will write here first date 2, because the month and dates are same, so 2/2/2021. Now because it is for the first date, both the dates are and months are same, so I will write for the second as well, that is date is 1/6/2021, and then apply flash fill, that is Control E. Can you see that now this format, which is MMDDYY, got converted into DDMMYYYY. So these are the few uses of flash fill which will save a lot of your time, and it will boost your productivity in Excel. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel to learn how to boost your career. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.